back to another shower routine. This one has been requested. So I've been doing a lot of vanilla gourmand scented routines, and someone requested for me to do something more fresh smelling, spa inspired, your skin but better. So sit back, relax, and let me put you on. First, I'm washing my hair with rosemary shampoo from Nécessaire. I do have extensions in, so I needed something that would strip the oils and the buildup out of my extensions, but then at the same time kind of tend to my natural hair and scalp. And this one did have a lot of ratings, so I trusted in it, and so far, guys, wow. And it smells exactly like you think it smells. The rosemary extract fills the room, and just a little goes a long way with this, so I'm not disappointed. This product kind of made me team fresh. I'll never abandon my vanillas, and spring's coming around, but still, I've been doing a lot more fresh showers, and the overall experience is way more relaxing with these sort of scent notes. So I am low-key switching sides, I can't lie. Second, we're going in with the Bond Maintenance Conditioner from Olaplex. I just need one to do its job. The scent is not really strong, it's almost like no fragrance in my opinion, but that's exactly what I need. The shampoo that I used before also has a conditioner twin, but the Olaplex conditioner has been impressing me so far. I'm smelling it again while doing this voiceover. It smells like a citrus milk, a little bit fresh as well, but really it doesn't stick onto the hair too much. So I'm gonna keep my hair conditioned in a braid while I go in with the actual shower routine, starting with the body wash. We're going in with plant-based and natural derived ingredients. These people have scents for days, and of course they had one that fell exactly into what I needed. I picked eucalyptus mint. It's honestly so simple. Like 10 on 10, Native, you've made a fan out of me. It won't stick to your skin too much, but you smell it with every single scrub, and that's exactly what matters for you to have the ambiance or the energy or the aura or the vibes that are needed for that spa experience. So a lot of the stuff I'm mentioning is pretty affordable. Native is an affordable brand, and Dove, for our exfoliator, is also an affordable brand. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is like a level 4 of exfoliant. It's not too harsh. It smells a little bit like, I don't know, it smells green, but it also smells like rice. I don't know how to explain it, but once again, the smell doesn't stick too much, but it does add a very spa-like energy or feeling when you use it in the shower. Moving on, we're going to be going into body care. A lot of the body care and oils should be little to no fragrance. I'm going with Josie Moran. I have the Vanilla Vibes one. I also have their no fragrance one and their tangerine one. Her body creams do everything but keep you dry, literally. And then we're going with the body oil on top of that just to lock it in. The reason why I say no fragrance is because you want whatever perfume you wear to be the standout, and you just need it to stick onto something. So as long as you're this moisturized, you will smell good. Quick deodorant, I usually never mention my deodorant, so some people have been asking. The Bergamot Hinoki one from Salt and Stone is my standout. I've been having my eye on this brand. And then now the star, which is fragrance. I'm a musk / aldehydic fan. Think second skin with a kick. So first is Le Papier. It's a sheer powdery musk. Smells like sweet rice, but not that like foodie. Next, we have the super dose version of Not a Perfume by Juliette Has a Gun. I would describe this as the smell of a newborn baby. It's very metallic almost. Clean, very cloud-like. Smells like winter, smells like snow, smells like the color white. Honestly, and I had to defend myself for this perfume on Fragrantica because some people think it's boring, but it really is the most underrated perfume ever. It was my first perfume in the collection, so you could see why I have to fangirl. And then lastly, don't come for me. I know you see vanilla, but it's not that vanilla. It smells very aquatic. Think of coconut shavings, a little bit more metallic. It's a very strong unisex smell. Today's winner is Le Papier. It's the most comforting one, and since it's bedtime, I need that. Moving on to skincare, and then we're out of here, guys. Let me know if there's anything I should try out in the comments below. For skincare, I just go simply with the CeraVe face wash. Step 2 is exfoliating with Dermalogica's powder to cream one. Very gentle, very nice. I like to massage with this one as well. And then I'm going in with the Snail Mucin. It's winter, the skin's been super dry, and I top it off with the banger of the year for the past like 5 years. And that's it. That's the routine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.